14,000 feet.
I think we should turn right.
I legitimately don't see any runway lights.
I don't think that we will be able to see them. So let's try to approach one more time. Turn right to that new heading. To set up a new heading.
Are you sure we're not too low? Right, like, no, I'm like for 9,500 feet.
You're 17 miles back to the airport.
Which is good.
Press this, right? You did. It's good.
So you want your classic?
One score.
Why is that?
What options do we have? Is it the bottom ones?
Okay, so like focus right now on these. So we have to follow that stuff and descend a little bit more. You're descending good, you know. Actually, you're doing great. At least.
Oh no, I gotta slow it down a bit. We're going way. We're going pretty fast.
To make sure that we are.
Yeah, that's hot and fast.
Yeah, we will not be able to do so. At least we want to make sure that we're seeing the runway, right?
Yes. I used to see something.
I want to make sure that the radios are set up like right, because we're not. We still didn't intercept the localizer that we need for that approach.
Yeah, gonna push the descent a little bit.
Yeah, and this is where we have to end up. Like that's why is that? So
oh shit!
You can do.
So I gotta go over a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
You can do something like.
I'm gonna turn a bit.
57.
Yep, that's perfect. Okay, so let me know if you see any lights.
Cloudy now, that's why.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, so I'm gonna drop out of this cloud.
Okay, so let's do like lower.
Yep. Okay, dropping a little bit faster.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, there we go. Now I've got some lights. Gonna drop a little bit.
We're speeding up fast.
Oh shit. Okay, can slow that down a little bit. Slow it down. Yeah, my thing looks pretty good for
So we need to make sure that we're coming. So maybe.
Yeah, gonna slow that down a bit.
Bank angle.
Slow it down a bit. Okay, so now we have. Okay, now we're stable.
Here we go. We're on the road. So this is our runway. We can use it as a reference.
Oh, okay.
Which one we right or left?
You can choose 2-3.
3.
Yeah, we definitely gotta turn like a little bit more.
2-3 is the north parallel.
2, 3. Okay. Where we are? Okay.
Oh, wait.
That was good.
Did we hit another cloud? Yeah, we hit another cloud.
Okay, now we don't have enough altitude. Bank angle. Sorry.
Okay.
I was trying to save us.
Fair enough.
Okay, let's focus. Let's stick on 7,000 or something like that. And yeah, nose down. 7,000, and let's try one more approach. Okay.
You want a vector?
We gotta go above or below the.
That will be too easy, I guess.
No vectors?
No vectors for now.
Well, we gotta go above or below this cloud.
We have to maintain 7,000. So.
No, this is like.
And with respect to the heading, see, like
we're in the cloud.
we're in the cloud.
We can go above the cloud or below the cloud.
We want to have like flaps 5 or something.
Okay. Do you want to go above the cloud then? And get our angle proper, and then come back down.
Maybe. So let's circle back. Let's go back to.
Okay, I'm gonna take it up higher, and I'm gonna get out of this stupid cloud, and then come back around.
I think you're above the cloud right now. It's just you can't see anything because it's night. You're above the cloud.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
So just stay at 7,000. You should be good.
Okay. So.
Set 7,000.
Yeah. So let's maintain maintain 7,000, and let's go back on the course. Extend the speed brake.
Okay, so we gotta gonna make a sharp right then.
Try to turn around, and we have to.
So I'm gonna try to dodge this bank angle.
So we have to go here once again and do our like one more pass. I think buffet or
Bank angle, bank angle.
Ryan would have to go up.
Oh, I thought we were saying at 7,000.
Yeah, because we're like our speed is too high.
You reduce your power though. You're at 85%.
That's why.
Oh, there we go. Okay, now we can see something.
If you can see something, that would be good. If we can find the altitude where we're seeing the some kind of
So
reference points.
around 8,900 is when we can start seeing stuff.
Bank angle, bank angle.
Too much. Okay, 8,900 we can start seeing stuff. So runway should be
Right. on our right. Okay, wait.
Gonna stabilize it a bit.
Okay, you know what? We have to like. How about you look for the runway and I'll take control, because when we're both looking into the windows.
Oh yeah, I got nothing on this side.
Do you see something? Do you see something on
It
our
should
right?
be on the right side, but I think this is a giant cloud. Oh yeah, it should be on the right.
So how about we go a little bit lower? FMS Theodore. So do you see anything? I see something in front.
It says the airport should be here. Oh, okay, here we go. Now I can see stuff. Oh, we're above the runway.
So runway
Shit.
is down
Okay.
below, right?
Yeah, runway is like right next to us. What is happening? Are we descending too
It's
fast?
overspeed, yeah. Yeah, when we're both looking for runway, that's
Okay, so at like above 9,000 feet is when we can see. So it's either above or below.
so we have to do above or below.
Okay, or do you want to go out and then come back in?
Yes.
Yep.
Bank angle, bank angle.
Okay, that's good. So you know what? I set up that. Yeah, that's too much task. Myself. I have to hold one. Okay, so could you please like hold the 7,000 altitude? Let's descend to 5,000 probably.
Hold 7,000 or descend?
5. Let's do 5,000.
Drop to 5. So, okay, hold on. I'm going to stabilize it on.
Or level or change.
Level
change. There we go.
When you press alt hold, what you do is you're telling the flight director you want to maintain altitude you're at when you press the button.
Okay. So this line, which is like marked like 3237, this is our line that we should maintain when we're approaching. This is our approach. So we have to go to that point.
You have to go out and
you have to go like this.
Okay.
You know, like where the beacon is below.
Reduce power.
Okay, so we got it. Oh, so that was the new deck guy that I saw before. Okay, got it. Okay, now we're raising much. But if you reduce power, we should drop faster, right? Or nosedive.
Yeah, because like we were like so close. I think we have like either flaps in the wrong position, or like we probably want to have more flaps. How much we have? 5. I guess we're good for now. Okay, so how about we're going to do like 180?
No. Go back to 37, right? He said 180 on the speed. That was just for him.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, keep that to
Cool, thanks.
Okay, and we're good to go.
Out,
And
back
we're
in?
going to just giving us a little bit more space for like to have the maneuver of circle.
Sure.
And I think that's the runaway of one.
No, you're past the Pearson.
Yeah, I know that's the runaway
Going down.
of
That's Buttonville.
Savannah. Okay.
YKZ is Buttonville.
Okay, so we're at 6,000. We want to be 5,000, so we need to reduce the thrust a little bit. Oh.
But would you have to go out and then back in?
I think we have enough.
Or do you have enough to make that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should slow it down, do a tight turn to the right. You'll have lots of room.
Yeah, and we want to prepare ourselves right now in terms of the reference altitude for the point was 3,000 feet. So we need to do 3,000, not 6,000.
What do we got here? Oh, this tells you everything. Oh, so these like waypoint things are like global? Like everybody uses the same names?
Yeah, pros and
oh,
cons.
that's neat.
I think Ryan, we have good chances.
Shit.
Okay, let's roll
Yes,
this.
yes, you do.
I need to
You guys are very positive and supportive to each other. That's nice to see. Real buddies.
Okay, so we need to go that 3,000 and we're still like flying high.
Yeah, you got lots of room. That's now you're 18 miles away from the airport. So you have plenty of room. The only thing you want to do is
Start dropping?
Yeah, we're going to start. So first of all, we're going to turn around, like try to not to kill aircraft in that turn.
It's looking pretty tight.
Yeah, and after that, as soon as we are on the
Mr. Bank Angle is going to be super angry shortly.
snow.
Oh, come on.
Ryan, turn on the anti-ice, please.
Yeah, that's what I like. Find anti-ice everywhere in term, every anti-ice and bullshit ice, whatever ice you if you see ice. And you know, Ryan, I think we're ready for after we finish that turn, we're going to be ready for
Keep coming right there.
okay, so Ryan, gear down please.
Don't know what that means.
Landing gear.
Landing gear?
Yep. Pull it out now. Put your auto brakes to 2. Beside the flap gauge there, that knob. Yep.
Bank angle, bank angle,
Whoa!
bank angle, bank angle.
Oh my god. Told you Mr. Bank Angle was going to be angry.
So he stood it on its side.
I cannot fly with that stuff.
Equalizer live. Give him flaps 15, right?
Yeah, right. Like right now, you're on yourself. Like help yourself to land us.
Give him a bit of power, Sergey.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
I'm not sure.
Radio altimeter.
Sure, come left.
Let's go left. Yeah.
Keep coming left.
Bank angle, bank
That
angle.
was looking
It's
sharp.
okay. It's okay.
Bank angle,
I just
bank
needed
angle.
to act fast.
These passengers are never coming back on Sergey Airlines.
Probably doesn't smell too good in the cabin right now.
Ryan, I need that mode, which is like center. Okay. Thank you.
It's okay.
Oh, such a relief. Now we're going to land for sure.
Flaps 25, right?
Yeah, that's, thank you. Flaps 25. And flap 30. Yeah.
Armistice
Right.